So you've been in some sort of argument, I guess, and so the police are now showing up. Ordinarily, my advice when dealing with police is do not say anything at all other than I don't want to answer any questions without my friend who's a lawyer. That's normal. But in the domestic violence situation, let's say that your significant other is saying that you have assaulted them, then there'll be a record made of what is said there. And so you want to carefully tell the officer how that, if the other party has actually been the aggressor and been the one that's attacked you, you want to be able to, you want to take the time to say, look, I am not guilty. She assaulted me. She was angry and came at me. I have not assaulted her. And if you have any marks, you say, this is where she put a mark on me, that sort of thing. Because with domestic violence cases, the system is set up so much to support and slide through accusations of the alleged victim against you, that the best relief I can get is when I can get put on equal footing where the shoe is also on the other foot, so there's charges on both sides. If we can get to that scenario, then there's a very good chance we're going to have a successful outcome. And again, I'm not talking about lying, but it has been my experience that this law has been misused, and that the alleged victim is oftentimes really the one who's committed a crime. And so this is the one kind of exception where I would say you want to at least tell the police that much. And don't go answering a bunch of questions about what happened, but just simply get it on the record that happened. Because even if the police charge you and do not charge your spouse or girlfriend or whatever, then you can go to the magistrate as soon as you get out of jail, and the magistrate will issue a charge against them if you have a supporting document from the police.
Got it. So don't answer any questions, but proactively inform them that
I want to tell my side of it. Yes,
Yep.
I want to tell my side of it. This is what happened, so that you're not accused of making it up later. You've articulated it right at the time. And it really helps if they're the one screaming and yelling and you're the one calm, and just presenting your side very, very together.
And if they ask any questions, say, based on counsel, I prefer not to act.
And it's always good. Some reason it sounds better to juries, but if you say, I have a friend who's a lawyer, and he's told me not to answer any questions, so I'm going to do what he said, rather than say, like, my lawyer, which is like I'm in trouble a lot and I've got a lawyer. Mm-hmm. So it's better to, I think, to phrase it that way.
As I have a friend who's an attorney, and he's advised me not to say anything if asked, so I politely declined to answer any questions. I love it. Thank you very much, Alan.
Yep.